Today I'm going to show you guys a really cool condo. It's a 3-bedroom in Playa del Carmen, and it has a really cool loft with some jungle views, and the amenities are pretty top notch as well. Let's take a tour here. I'm going to start from the front. Alright, walking in from the front door, you got your first bedroom to the left here. It has its own essential ensuite, I guess, but it is not connected. But it is quite nice. It was recently renovated. It's super clean. This is currently being used as an Airbnb. But this would be like the shared bathroom, I guess, for the entire unit. It's a really large condo. This first bedroom does have a full closet organizer, which is very handy. It does have a desk here, 2 huge windows, and a queen size bed with this cool electronic charging table and nightstand. If you want to look at the views here, this looks into the condo complex. And now we're gonna head over. Let's check out the main floor here. So right in, you walk into the kitchen. It says it was recently renovated. It is beautiful. This full wood paneling is really nice. All the appliances are brand new. You got your oven in the island, tons of storage space. You have all your outlets there. Cooktop 4-burner with a vented hood range. You got this cool light here. I really like this wet bar area, or somewhere to make your drinks and keep your stuff separate from the rest of the counter space in the kitchen. I really like the black cabinetry. It actually stands out quite nice. And this is where all the dishes are. It's got a nice pantry here. This wall. Now you do have a desk on the main area, so you can do some work. Let's check out the main space. All right, look at this loft. This ceiling height is huge. Gives such a grand open concept feeling. A massive 100-inch TV. Cool wood paneling. It goes all the way up to the top. This is really cool. Light fixture as well, and you have a basketball net. This is the jungle view on the patio, which is large enough to have a bed, a dining set, and a nice lounge. This is the jungle view here. You have a couple other apartments up there, condos, and you're actually a few steps away from the beach, like within maybe 2 minutes. Now let's walk upstairs. I like these open treads. So this is the second bedroom here, which is the loft. You have another queen bed here with a closet. And this one does have its own ensuite. You got another closet organizer here, storage, and its own bathroom. Again, recently renovated. Everything is brand new, super clean. These showers are huge. This is how you get an idea. I can't even touch that. I probably have another 5 feet before that wall there. Like these new modern sinks are pretty nice. Now, let's move over to the third bedroom. Actually, what's really cool about this, here. This is the loft. So you can look down into the living space. It's very cool. Now, one thing to note about this unit is that it actually has double pane windows and it's super insulated, so you can't actually hear anything out front. Or even on this side that faces the condo complex, I can't hear anything. I know outside there was someone blasting some music. I can't hear it in here. This is pretty rare for Mexico. Usually everything is quite loud and it reverberates through the whole house. But this is actually pretty nice. It's actually very peaceful considering you're right downtown in the heart of the tourist area where the beach and all the clubs and the restaurants are. So again, this is I guess this would probably be the primary. So you have a bathroom door here separating the actual sleeping area from the bathroom. You have this huge closet organizer, so you'll definitely not run out of space there. You have a double sink, again, brand new, huge mirror. The lighting's amazing in here. Look at these things. These are nice. Porcelain. And then you have a door on the water closet. And brand new. You do have a window, it's frosted glass. There is a window there to separate from the bedroom. And then you have this huge shower with a giant shower head as well. So this is a massive 3-bedroom condo. It's probably one of the biggest I've actually toured in Playa. Like I said, recently renovated. It's obviously very clean. It shows. It's very nice. We'll go check out the amenities right now, and we'll talk about pricing in a moment. So up here you got 2 rooftop patio pools, which are pretty cool. Never seen anything quite like this. And then you have really nice view. Sorry. You see the ocean over there. So you're literally a few hundred steps away from the beach. Just check over here on the other side in the other pool. It's a cool entertaining bar here if you want to host. And you have your secondary pool up here. And there's the ocean. Huge patio. You can see the ocean right there. See the ocean, let's zoom in there. Kind of see it right over there. Alright, so this unit is being listed for $575. The condo fees are about $400 a month. There is a gym, the 2 rooftop pools, there's a commercial space, there's about 8 restaurants right at the front of the building, so that's super convenient. And you're about 200 steps away from the beach itself. It's currently being rented as an Airbnb. The owners were actually living here for a couple of years, and then they actually recently just moved to Dubai. So now they are listing the place. You will get the Airbnb business and listings when you purchase this home, but I think this is an exceptional value because I haven't seen anything quite like this in Playa del Carmen. The 3-bedroom is key if you're going to use this as an investment to rent. You get about $500 or $600 a night depending on the season and the time of year, but this could be a huge cash flowing property right in the heart of Playa where the beach and all the restaurants are. This is exactly what people are looking to rent, and you can sleep up to, I think, 8 people in this unit, maybe more. I did see a pull-out cushion cover thing as extra bed space, so because the space is so large, you can actually fit quite a few people. So if you're interested in this property, let me know below. Contact me and I can link you with the realtor. And otherwise, thanks for watching.